What is up, guys? It's my boy Darnell. Say hi.
Hi. Oh, we're doing.
Do you want to show me the sticks?
Huh?
You want to show the stick?
What?
No, it's not it.
No.
Yeah.
I think my dad already bought me that. But hello, YouTube. I'm doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge.
So together, so cool.
Yeah. So hold on. Let me just
undo it.
Oh wait, you really can't uncuff it?
Yeah, you can. But we're just not gonna.
Somebody else has to uncuff it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's insane. Oh, there we go. Okay.
For us,
So, yeah.
we're doing it together.
Yeah, we have to cuff each other.
If I had to lose the bathroom, I don't know what I'm about to do.
Oh no.
No, I'm not.
Just don't use the bathroom though. Okay,
Yeah,
so guys, as you see, we are cuffed together.
Nah.
Move your arm, Tyson. See, look. This is each other's
But what
arm.
if he pull it
Yeah.
all together?
I think it break, right? Anyway, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna play.
Wait, what's my phone at?
Your phone's at
Well, whatever. Forget it.
18%, whatever.
Okay. 18%.
I think it's gonna last 24 hours, so we're gonna have to come back to the video.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come back and end it. So, I don't know how I'm gonna put on my shoes.
So, oh yeah, just you took your shoes off.
Oh
This
my
is
god!
You took
I'm
your
gonna
shoes
put
off.
on my slides real quick.
Oh
so
yeah, let's go. Let's go. So we can't.
Your shoes.
It's gonna be hard. Stop taking your arm down. Stop. Oh yeah, do you see it right now?
You know what? Come
You
on.
should put.
Oh, hey, two.
Really?
We can't do this. Alright, let's go.
Let's
my
go.
gosh. We might play cops and robbers later.
Oh gosh, I don't know how I'm gonna play. Every time we play hide and seek, we're gonna ruin the whole spot. Cause you're probably gonna spread out because you look the tallest.
Okay, so we're just gonna walk around. We're gonna knock on our friend's door together.
Yeah.
And literally, I'm gonna knock on the door. He has to knock on the door.
Yeah.
So we're gonna knock on my friend's door. So see if you can play. Come out and play. We're gonna play cops and robbers. Actually, we're just doing this for a quick entertainment because we're not really gonna do this yet. But we're gonna knock on my friend's door. We're gonna play cops and robbers.
Yeah. Make sure you don't crack it.
Okay, guys, look. Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Okay.
All right. Hold on. Make sure it's facing us.
No, I'll do it.
All right. No, we have to use this hand. Oh my gosh. Wave your hand, man. It's kind of hurts to move your hand.
Yeah.
Because this is plastic. Hi there.
What up, kids?
Can
Tristan and Aiden come out?
I think Aiden's sleep out actually.
Okay.
Oh gosh, I don't know how we're gonna play this.
Yeah.
If we try to hide from them, I'm gone.
No, but
I'm
no, we're gonna uncuff each other first, cause we need these to play
How
cops
are
and
we
robbers.
gonna do this? Are we gonna Bro, we're doing it for an hour. We can't take it off.
Hmm?
We can't take it off.
No, we're not doing the video yet. We're just doing this for entertainment. Now I'm gonna swing you around.
No.
Swing them. It actually hurts though. It hurts my wrists. But anyway, guys, we will come back with another video. We will come back with a video. If you don't know who I am, my name's Darnell. I may have been in
His
a
name
few
isn't
videos. No, my name. No, my middle name's Darnell. Oh, hey. And this is Tristan.
Come on, say hi to the camera. We're posting you. We're posting you on YouTube.
Oh, see ya. We'll get back with the video.